Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ursulan, and today in this video I'm going to give you a solution of no sound. How you can fix no sound issue in your laptop in Google Chrome or any other browser. Before moving towards the actual solution, let's not forget to subscribe and like my channel. There are certain options in laptop from where you have to first confirm that if the sound is off or on, like before moving towards the actual issue. So first we will check the available options if the sound is turned off there or not. So let's check. This is the most easy site information from where you can check whether the permissions are turned off or on. So the sound permission is okay here. So this is the first option you have to check, and then you should come to the sound setting and you just need to check the volume section. If it is muted, then you must unmute it, right? So these are the two ways. But in that section, only these two options are the most important options you must check, right? So let's move towards the real mess where it is caused, right? So you just need to click on the volume icon, and you just need to come here and select the sound output option, right? And then you can see the volume mixer. Here you can check the icon of the Google Chrome, and there is a volume icon, the speaker icon in the subscript of the Google icon, right? You just need to click on the Google and it will work from now. So let's play the song. So now it's working. Let's turn it off once again to verify the problem. So here, if we turn off again and come, so the sound is not working. So this is how you can solve your problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and my channel, and also press the bell icon button for future more information videos, right? Thank you. Bye bye.